Hey everyone, we made it into Marshall's. So we have deer foams. You know, they're so comfy and no sweat. Ooh, yeah, I would hate to have the sweat, right? These are $10, and you know what? These would make a great Christmas gift too. I kind of like that. And the Jessicas are here for the pink and the faux fur. Let's see, for $13. Look at these 9 West, really soft on top, kind of like a soft knitted throw. They're 10. Hey, $10. Some more Jessica. And these are 15. And they also have it in black. Ellen Tracy, these are tights for $5.99. Navy blue and black. Calvin Klein hipsters. So it looks like underwear for 10 bucks. They're kind of like nylon. And look at this headband for $13. If you live in the snow, if it gets really cold, this is actually really nice with a Sherpa lining. Let's see, CNC headband. And here's the pink one. Here is a bucket hat by David and Young for $13. This one's only $15 by CNC. I'm not sure if that is CNC California. You know how we see that brand. And a few Hurley beanies. And these are like $15. More CNC UPF 50 plus $13. And check this one out for $25. Has a little buckle right here at the side. And this red one is actually really nice. Same price, $25. This is actually really neat for $25. Reminds me of UGG. I have no idea why. Maybe like an UGG purse. It is by Urban Expressions. And you do get a long cross body strap. Well, check these out. That's really, really different. Maybe put your phone in there, little crossbody. This one's going to be a crossbody. And the jellies are still around. There's one Michael Kors for $150. So the brand is FNW. I'm not sure what that is, but it's on alarm. $150. Really, really nice bag. You do get a long crossbody. And then over here, you guys, they also have it in blue. $30. The chain will be plastic, and you do get one pocket in the front. Oh, here's another FNW. You know what? I think we might have seen this green one. $130. Juicy Couture. Look at that slip-on. It says Juicy. And the gold for only $20. And they do have Skechers in here. Keep your feet cozy. By the brand Kuba. Some more slip-ons for $13. These are by Jessica. Oh, they have the little deer foams for like Christmas. Look how adorable. Here's Winnie the Pooh socks. Cozy slippers. These are $7. Oh gosh, here's one more way over here. $7. He's in a honey pot. These are more slippers. Marilyn Monroe collection, $5.99. And then pajamas. I'm in the pajama area. Oh look, here's a fox. These are great stocking stuffers. Look, you have Woodstock up in here. The llama. By Dance Skin, $17. So soft. It's like a wide leg pajama pant. Lucky is $17, and you get pajama bottoms with it. It is over here by Tahari for $20. Button up set. And what is this one? Calvin Klein? Okay. Like the top and bottom. Really lightweight, you know. So if you wear it when it's cold outside, you might be cold. $30 is like really thin. DKNY set, $29.99. And $20 for more Dance Skin. These are really cute patterns. They're so thin, really lightweight. I like that. For pajamas, they do get 3 pair, which is like awesome, right? And these are 10. It looks like it comes in different styles. This one's only a 2-pack for 10, so you might as well get 3-pack. It's like a polka dot and a stripe. Lucky over here. These are 20, and you do get 2. They're like a jogger style. Looks like they have like Rachel Zoe, yeah, for 20. Some stripe. That's 20 as well. Got a camo one by Jacqueline Intimate. Skinny Girl camis, okay, with a built-in bra, little shapewear. These are $13. You can remove it. Ooh, these are nice. Here's another 2-pack, like a silky cami. 13. You get gray and pink. Loving this color for 13. This is by Rachel Roy. And you know what? They have this black one for 13. Sophie B for 13, and you will get 2. And let me see some chonies down here by Jessica. It's the back. Let me see. Let me get down here. They're $15. Juicy pajamas, 13. Top and bottom, kind of like a tank. And then we have your pink shorts. Little floral action by Nanette Lepore. Let's see, they're really soft too. These are 10, top and bottom. You know what? When I was like started like filming in stores, I had no idea who Nanette Lepore was, and I just got like hammered for it. Like, you skipped over the Nanette Lepore. I'm like, I don't know who that is. I never paid attention to name brands ever. So everyone's like, you're skipping over like Vince Camuto, and I'm like, I don't know. I'm normal. I don't know. I don't pay attention to that. 17. The brand is Pillow Talk. Guys, that is gonna do it for this walkthrough in Marshall's. Nothing too new in the face mask area. Everything looks the same. Well, this one's new. Vitamin C and cucumber. Oh, what is that? Leo rose water. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. And there's nothing in perfume. I looked through it. A lot of it is the same. Normally for perfume you would have to wait for like Christmas when it becomes closer. I mean, they still have the same Escada, Viva La Juicy, Peace, Love, and Juicy, Abercrombie, Hollister, Bulgari. Is that how you say it? Bulgari. I don't know, $59.99. Let's see, yeah, Britney Spears, A Midnight, and Diamonds is always around. Jimmy Choo Floral, Eternity Flame. You know what? I don't think I ever smelled the flame. I kind of like the original one because it reminds me of my mom. That was like her go-to scent for everything. And this is just like body wash over here. Was that pumpkin spice and vanilla chai? Little body mask.